Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how to log in with a different account on the Temu app. Whether you're switching accounts or accessing a different one, we've got you covered with this quick and simple guide. Start by opening the Temu app on your device. Once the app is open, tap the U icon at the bottom of the screen to go to your profile page. On the next screen, look for the Your Orders option in the menu and tap on it. This will open a new page with additional options. Scroll down and select Sign In with another account. You'll now see a screen with several login methods. Depending on how your new account is set up, you can choose to log in with Google, Facebook, Apple, or other platforms. Select the method linked to your new account, enter your credentials, and you're all set. You've successfully switched to a different account in the Temu app. Logging in with a different account on the Temu app is that easy. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.